Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Janvi. I make videos on skincare and books. And if you know me, then thank you for stopping by. So today's video is about why you should start reading. Before starting this video, let me tell you something about me and books. I'm a huge bibliophile. I read all kinds of books and you will never find me without a book. I love reading. I always carry a book with me. It doesn't matter if I'm going to work, if I'm going for shopping, if I'm going for a movie, I will always have a book with me. And currently I'm reading The Taj Conspiracy by Manpreet Soli Someshwar. It's a murder mystery book and I'll put down a review once I finish reading this. Let's start with the video. So why you should start reading? Number one point is vocabulary. If you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to express yourself more openly, more freely, then you should start reading. Because once you start reading, it will be easier for you to express yourself. It will be easier for you to get the words out. Sometimes it happens to us that we want to communicate properly while writing or while speaking, but we don't get the right word, and this will improve if you start reading. It will give you an impeccable vocabulary. Number two is strong imagination power. Once we start reading a book, we don't have any reference to the character of the book except for the description the writer has given to us. So we start imagining the character in our head, and that way we will have a very strong imagination power. And strong imagination power will lead to a strong concentration. So there are some people who cannot sit for a longer time, so I would suggest them to start reading one page a day. If it will start with one page, then 2 page, then 3 page, and then gradually you will be able to sit and concentrate for a longer time, and that will lead to a very strong memory. The third point is your writing skill. If you're an aspiring writer, or you want to be a writer, or you want to start writing, then start reading as well. The more you read, the more you will be able to write. It's a personal experience for me, it's a personal journey for me. I started writing when I was a kid, but I was not a very good writer. The more I read, the more I knew how to express myself while writing as well. Last year around July, August, I started an Instagram page where I wrote prose, poetry, quotes, whatever I felt like writing. But initially it was not that good. It was very raw and unkempt, but I was reading gradually, so I knew what are my weak points and how to improve them. So gradually my writing also improved. I'll put the name here somewhere. You can go check it out. It's on Instagram. I don't have so many followers on that page because I have not advertised that page properly. That page was only for me to write whatever I thought is good or whatever I felt is good, and just to improve my writing skills. And the last point being, and it's a very personal point, it may be different for different people, but for me, reading is very therapeutical. I read somewhere that getting lost in someone's imagination is pure bliss, and for me, it's totally true. When I feel bad, if I have a bad day, if I'm feeling low, if I'm not feeling like getting out of the bed, then I always try to read a book or a chapter or a short story or a poem, and that instantly makes me happy and gives me this sort of energy that I can go through the day. So these were the 4 points how reading can make an impact in your life. First is vocabulary, number 2 is imagination power, number 3 is your writing skill, and number 4, it is very therapeutical. If you thought this video was informative, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and happy reading. Bye.